Well, hi there. I'm Andrew Larder. I'm a Fora travel advisor. And when I say cruise ships, you think of 70-year-old people cruising around, stopping at off the docks and things like that. So Royal Caribbean looked at the people who are going to places like Las Vegas, all-inclusive resorts in the Caribbean, Mexico especially, and how they want bars and party and food and excitement and entertainment and disc jockeys and all of that kind of stuff. And so instead of cranking out another 70-year-old specialized cruise ship, this one that's just being released is called Utopia of the Seas from Royal Caribbean. And it is, as they say, it's always party o'clock. I'm going to read you a quick little thing, then I'm going to crank up the tunes on this video and let you see it. But Utopia of the Sea arrives in the summer of 2024. Royal Caribbean, party strong all weekend long. So you can do these. Here we go. Morning mimosas with poolside bash to next level nights, 23 bar crawl hotspots. This is not made for your 70-year-olds. Live music pros, joke masters, mind-blowing shows, onshore with disc jockey beats under the sun at a place called Perfect, or it's actually called CocoCay. Perfect day at CocoCay. They go, the party never stops on the world's biggest weekend on Royal Caribbean. So there's more information at the if you click the link in the video description. I'm going to start up the video here, which will give you an idea of what kind of a party we're talking about. Here we go.
Go, make me go loco. Make me go loco. Go loco, loco. Make me go loco, loco. Make me go loco.
I'm going to stop it there. You get the idea. That looked a lot like Vegas. People in the pool drinking, partying to the music. That is exactly what this is all about. So a whole different cruise ship from Royal Caribbean called Utopia of the Seas. If you click the link in the video description, it'll take you to my site at drewlarder.com. There's a bit more information about it. And then you get to the bottom and there is a link that says Andrew Larder for a travel advisor. You click that link and a bit of me and my family, and you can get down to the email part, just enter in your name and email and send me a one-line description. I want to party on the Utopia of the Seas in June. Whatever it is, start the conversation with a one-line little email like that, and we'll get it set up for you. Obviously, I can book you anything you want to do. There's cruise ships all over the world. This is the one party boat. You've seen little party boats in wherever you are in the world. There's little party boats in little docks and things like that. This is the biggest party boat you've ever seen. So check this out. Click the link. Check it out. Send me an email. We can get you on board and have an amazing time. It is set up geared for that. I'm going to say 20 to 30, just roughly, kind of age group. Exactly the same kind of group that ends up in Vegas, partying their asses off. You can do the exact same thing here. So check it out. Links in the video description. I'm Andrew Larder from drewlarder.com. I'm a Fora travel advisor. I can book this for you. Click the link in the bottom once you go over to Drew Larder. Click the link at the bottom and send me a one-line email telling me what you want to do, when you want to go, and we'll figure it out. Okay, check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from drewlarder.com. Go check out Utopia of the Seas, just launching from Royal Caribbean, so you know it's good.